It's 6 a.m. right now and I'm all ready to go. We have a 4 hours drive ahead of us, and then we're gonna go on a 2-hour cruise and then 4 hours drive back. That's the plan for today. So I want to go. It's freezing. I don't know how I'm wearing a t-shirt, to be honest. Like, you can literally see ice on there. The whole reason I'm making go out is so that I can stay warm and cozy. And he decided that he couldn't leave the door open. You know what is wrong with you?
What?
You really say freeze with me. The whole reason why I didn't want to go out is so that I can be warm and cozy.
I know.
You leave the door open.
That's why it makes me leave it.
Sit down.
So that you suffer with me, you little bitch.
You really say we're in this together.
Yeah.
How mean!
We are together, see?
I'm no longer warm and cozy.
I'm
My
cold.
chicken skin is back. If you're in Tianu town, try Ditto. It's not bad.
Ditto.
It's flavorful.
Ditto.
Price is average, right?
Mid to expensive.
Oh, mid to expensive apparently, but food not bad. That's the moon. Oh gosh. Oh no, you can't see it now. Crap. That's the moon. It looks like a spotlight here. Whoops.
It's heavily inspired from the Rajasthani style. Wow, this is very authentic.
Very authentic. A+++. Authentic. It's our last day here, just packing up so that we can check out, and now we're heading to Queenstown to have some food and just waste some time before our flight, really. One last look of the view. Honestly, it feels like a bittersweet moment. I mean, not that bittersweet, it's just like, it's like weird in a way. We're both excited to get back into our life because we have so many things planned, and it's like stacking up. For example, right, then once we land, which is today, so tomorrow on Thursday, which is actually a public holiday, but I've already have like 2 meetings scheduled, and I still have to finish up some work for clients. So it's like I'm excited, which make us realize one thing, that we're really creating the life that we enjoy. So like the holiday is an addition, not an escape to our lives. So I guess that's a good thing. In a way, it shows that we're on the right path, I guess. I don't know, we were just talking about this yesterday, and we just thought it's like a nice thing, because I feel like there's so many people that I know go on holiday to escape their life. So I think it was just really nice that we figure out that we're on the holiday not to escape, but it's an addition to our life. I'm going into circle, but anyways, as much as it's sad to leave this lovely place because it's gorgeous, definitely gonna come back. In fact, we're already planning to come back next year with my sister, because we were planning to do skydiving. I'm really excited. So we'll definitely be back, but for now we're also excited to go back and continue our lives. Yeah. Why are you squatting?
You make me squat.
I'm squatting like a child, hoping the shit will come and stop bloatedness. Bloating. Whoops. The squatting position works. Do you do moo?
What is moo?
Like moo.
No, I didn't move.
Okay, so squatting position works. Can't shit, do Asian squat.
Only thing is, if you sit down, squatting position, feel like shitting, right? Don't stop it. Don't move immediately. Still keep just sitting there. Let the pressure build.
TMI, but there you go. In case you need some tips.
Or maybe have a squatty potty.
Round 2 of trying to find the lemon drizzle cake. So come back to the resort. I'm trying to find that cake. We'll see. Will we succeed this time? We'll find out soon. I got the iced coffee. Oh, they do not have lemon drizzle cake.
And the coffee sucks.
First of all, apparently, oh, hold on, look at the view. First of all, view. Okay, anyways, update. We tried the coffee. It tastes like water and bitter sauce. And then we asked them to remake it, and it's still the same thing. So, yeah, we decided it's not worth the extra calories. I mean, it's just not worth it in general. Definitely don't even bother trying. I don't know, maybe it's barista, maybe it's, I don't know, but it's a definite no. And I think in general, based on like in the whole trip, right, I think Australia had better coffee.
I haven't seen one single coffee which is like, oh, so good.
But Australia coffee is better?
Australia coffee, you go to any cafe, but at least like every second cafe would be good. At least. At least. It can be like all together all better, but at least every second cafe is the best.
Yeah, so far we even went to those with like really high review and things like that. They are like okay, either they suck or they are like okay, like, you know, bare minimum okay. And mind you, my coffee taste bud is not even very high, okay, like just the Nespresso capsule one, I'm happy with that. But these are worse than that.
Nespresso is better than this coffee.
Yeah, like those Nespresso capsule, or even the other brand, the LOR, I don't know, that one, even that capsules are better. Capsule coffee are better than all these cafe coffees, so save your money and come to Australia and have coffee. Can I have your number?
04. Call me anytime.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking for your number. Wrong answer, bitch. You're
You know my
supposed to
number?
say, take it.
You know my number?
What?
If you know my number, you're a creepy girl. Randomly out of street. Already know my number. Whose ring is that?
Seriously, you let some other girl touch you?
Feels nice though. Feels like my own girl. Oh, it's you. Oh, it's you.
You failed the test. Better than all the other games maybe ever tried.
What did you do last time? Oh, you watched that creepy show.
Nice.
Well,
It's like filled with all snacks. I love it. And enjoying the weather one last time. Now he's just enjoying his phone. We're back. It's 12 a.m. right now. I finally finished the meeting and it's fun. Everything is looking good. So now I'm just gonna get some rest and actually start working tomorrow. Technically, I officially start working again tomorrow, but well, it wasn't really nice meeting actually. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm just tired. With the flight and the time change, I know it's just 2 hours, but somehow you just feel like it's a lot. I'm ready to just tune in and let's see when I will edit these vlogs. Why did I wink? That's so weird. But anyways, bye.